this is Belinair. So this is where I stayed, and it is BGS Backpackers. Now we're going to the beach, and we can see. Ouch, masakit pa ako konti. Tingnan namin kung saan bakit nagbibigay yung yeah. So let's go there. May nakikita akong kamote. Charot lang. Pero para kasing kamote yung flower niya. I don't know what it is. But it's just like medyo mahangin. Kasing hangin ang kasama ko ngayon. Kaya bawal pumunta sa laot. And we're requesting sana with Ate Mai going in the center of the ocean kung saan naabuti siya na pwedeng puntahan. Let's go! So this is it. They're meeting in here. It's August 23 today. And if you can see my background, the water is leading in here. Pwedeng pumunta doon. Medyo malayo lang. I went there earlier. Pero naka-red alert sila because may bagyo. So, we're supposed to go to the laot na sinasabi for fishing. Kaso hindi pwede. At medyo lumalakas yung tubig. It's moving in my feet lang. Medyo malakas na yung alon. Okay, so hi guys, this is Melinaire. So I'm at a maze. Kanina umaga nakuha ko ng video. This parang kamote na sinasabi ko. But it's already 3 o'clock or in the afternoon, nagko-close pala sila. So basically, pag sa umaga maganda, sa hapon hindi. Joke lang. Yeah, it closes the flower because maybe dahil sa init or something. Yun lang naman, medyo